Hi all. Okay, I did this video because I want to emphasize something. I bought this hot air that is using the Makita type battery, and they don't claim that this is a battery of Makita. And I had, of course, to disassemble in order to see what is going on with this one. And I was amazed to find out that this is built better than the copy of the Makita. And this is not a Makita. They don't sell it as a Makita battery, just as a battery for this hot air. And it is connected with adapter here, you know, a cable, the charging. It comes with a power supply that is charging it, this one, and it is plugged to this. It's called D in, something like this, D9, I don't remember exactly the name of this connector. But what is important is that this board does have a protection, not like the Makita type, the fake ones that I showed in earlier video. We can notice that we have here 3 N-channel MOSFET connected in parallel. In order to disconnect the ground, we can see here the ground, the GND of the battery. The GND is connected to these 2 resistors. It looks like, they look to me like, I will tell you, yeah, R003. So it's 3 milliohm resistor in parallel, so total 1.5 milliohm resistor connected to this MOSFET, and the MOSFET is connected to the GND of the battery, which means that this battery in a short will probably stop working. And also when I discharge it, I try to discharge it with a load, and at 15 volt it disconnected, so it also has a protection. This MOSFET also protect if the voltage is too low. So yeah, this copy is much better than the fake Makita. And also there is a thermistor here, a thermal resistor, and this one is not, yeah, it's not put well on the, it should attach to the cells, and it is not. So they didn't, yeah, do it very good. It should be glued somehow to the battery, but it is not. But anyway, at least we have a short circuit protection, and we have, yeah, and we have this chip is probably part of the BMS microcontroller. The microcontroller maybe that control the battery and stop it when the voltage is too low. Let's remove it from the pack. And yeah, and the welding are made well here. Also, like in the fake battery, the welding points are done good, because I see a lot 4 point and it's welded well. You can see that it is done well. But this battery is better than the fake one that is sold as Makita in Aliexpress. Oh, I thought to do a video that if you find this kind of battery, the name is 1KFYFD or 1, I don't know what is the KFYFD. Okay, this is the name. It's also the name on the tool itself. It is written 1KFYFD or 1, I don't know, 1 FIFD, and this is just IK. I don't know what they mean. Anyway, I thought to do a video because, yeah, this battery is a good one, at least a good in terms of protection. So yeah, if you want to buy these batteries on AliExpress, I don't know about the capacity, how good it is, but there is a name of the cells. It's written 2000 milliamp hour, and there are 2 in parallel, so theoretically it's 4 amp hour battery. I don't know if what is written is the real capacity. Maybe one more thing that I've noticed that is not very well, I will show you now. what I mean. Yeah, the voltage, it is fully discharged. It was okay, 17.4 volts. Yeah, so basically the voltage is up a little. I noticed that the LED sign is not accurate, which means in the real Makita, when it, for example, above 80%, this is just when all the 4 LEDs are on. On all the fake batteries, I've seen that it is not very, it's very not accurate, let's say. And why it is not accurate? Probably because the board that determines the voltage. By the way, I've looked at the board, and the board consists of resistor and diode. Probably this is a Zener diode. So I guess that the Zener diode of the Makita are much more accurate than all the clone batteries, which are not accurate. So this is another point that I want to mention. One last important thing is that you cannot charge this battery with the Makita charger because you don't have the connection port. So it's a different port. The Makita charger is not just using the positive and the negative, but there is also a communication port that is connected to all the chargers. So you can use it just with the charger that came with it. Yeah. So this is another disadvantage, but other than this, the battery is okay. So that's all. Thank you and bye.